Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you had a good weekend. I told you I was gonna. This is why I didn't want to trade crypto. I mean, to a weekend gambling degenerate. I've been scalping Doge all weekend, all through this choppy price action. I was actually able to make money with it. It seems crazy how easy it is just to make money if you can kind of read charts and know when to cut losses, and when it's not a manipulated stock. It's so strange how organic it looks like crypto trades. Kind of I don't know. It's hard to describe if you don't look at charts a lot, but it's really interesting. You can even see like when different algorithms or maybe trading bots or certain things are triggered, when certain technical analysis are triggered, like when they basically go off. I'm trying to think of where that happened. Um, but yeah, I'll be watching it, and it's just way too easy. I'm watching on my phone. I'm able to trade on my phone. I can have it split screen and be watching YouTube or doing whatever and be trading. It's crazy. So I'm waiting for good setups like this one right here. And when you're watching it, you'll see it's just like low volume, and then you'll see it start to glitch. And you'll see that with normal stocks too, but it was really interesting just seeing how it works with crypto. Because there's definitely bots and algorithms and stuff that are triggering buy and sell orders. And that's how you know also it's kind of a sign that, okay, this is time to buy. It's triggering some sort of buy orders. That's just a small point. Point of this video though, well, I actually did just go long again on Doge. And the only place I have to trade it still is Robinhood, so just cross my fingers. It's not a big deal. I'm only putting $1,000 in on my trades. What I've been doing is I put 1,000 in on the swing, the scalp, whatever, and I haven't been trading it on the hour. I've been trading on the 10-minute actually. But now that it's a trading day, I'm gonna be at my computer. I have more time to let it bake, let it marinate. But yeah, so I'd basically look at this setup. I mean, hindsight, of course, but yeah, this is where I'd buy in. MACD's good, price action's good. And then I just hold it and wait. I'd probably sell out by like here on this candle, or maybe even this candle. But yeah. Anyway, so I am in Doge, but what I wanted to show was this is Webull. You can't trade it yet on Webull, but they can show you the ticker, and the price it shows on Webull right now is 4094. Price it shows on Robinhood is 407. So I've been hearing this before, and I've kind of noticed some inconsistencies too. 406. So it's not even showing the right price. And honestly, that this number on Robinhood doesn't really matter, because when you're quote buying it on Robinhood, you're not actually buying it. There's no wallet for it to hold it in. They're basically taking your money, they're holding it, and then when you go to sell it, they look at what the market price is for it. If it's 408, and they'll say, okay, well, we'll sell it for you at 407. That's if you're market ordering it and not limit ordering. On your phone, there's a different orders: market order, limit order. However, if you put a limit order for 406,051 right where it was at right then, or 406, where you think it is, it probably won't go through until they get their skim. I've known this with Robinhood for over a year now, where they skim on trades. That's why I use it for long term and I don't trade with it. This is a special situation for me because of Doge. But just noticing, he's like, oh, this is the price. This is all just basically a simulation to make you feel a certain way. When you do this, none of this, it's not from this. It's all from computers. When you press in your amount to buy, and they think this is all just pretty UI, which is why I like it for a long term. But for trading and for getting technical and for not, you're paying a price to trade on Robinhood, and if you're okay with that, that's fine. If you're not, you should know that. Doge does look like it's about to break out though. If you're watching this video, and I noticed this the other day too, with this run up, because I caught this one right here. You see actually my buy order right there. I marked it the other day. This was it was breaking out, and then about this time, once West Coast started waking up, this was all West Coast buying in. So, and right now we have broken that resistance more or less, at least where the candle stopped, not the wick. We're already trading above that, so this to me is about to poised to do a massive breakout. I'm just specifically talking about Doge in this video. GameStop also is the squeeze maybe has started, and it's maybe correlated. A lot of DD on different things going on with that, with crypto and crypto selling off and hedge funds liquidating. Citadel's up all night with their lights on, yada yada yada. But I want to tell you guys about Doge and just the difference in price. This is 404. Okay, I'll even do this. This is funny. you can see it live. So it says 404. It says 401. I trust Webull pretty well. It is a Chinese brokerage, but I've had very good success with them. So it says 403. I don't know if you can even see that. How do I even? I don't know how to zoom out. I'm on a PC. I know my Mac. You can like zoom in or whatever. It says 402, 401, and then actually we have another one. Yeah, up here. This is on Binance. Actually, this one's lower, which is kind of interesting. So it's maybe not just Robinhood. It's just inconsistency all across the board. This one says 3. Where those other ones go? Let's see, Webull, Robinhood. Wow, what a mess. Okay. But see this one, so you guys are in crypto, you know what's going on. I don't really know what's going on. This is Doge USDT, and they have Doge BUSD. They have all sorts of different Doges. I clicked on the USDT, assuming that was the right one, but I'm not sure. Anyways, this one's showing 402. This one's Webull's 403, and Robinhood's 401. So actually, I wonder if it's Webull that's off. Weird. Maybe it's just Webull that's off. Because I think Binance would be more accurate than these other. This one has a proper wallet, is a proper crypto exchange. Yeah, the whole point of this video is to show how Robinhood's off, but it's actually probably just Webull. But that's fine. In Webull's defense, you can't even trade on here yet, so they're kind of, like they say, experimenting with it. Just kind of setting it up to be able to trade, more or less. So they'll probably be able to trade it soon. They're probably testing volume, liquidity, all these sorts of things that Robinhood and other brokerages weren't able to handle the other day when Doge went crazy, and it's maybe about to do it again. But yeah, if you look at these two, there's another one that has it. Is this it? 402. How live is that? Is that very live? Super live? Okay, what is that with that? This one's not very fast. 4028. No, that's not fast. That's interesting though. So Robinhood and Binance are showing pretty much the same price, a little bit off. Again, on Robinhood, it doesn't really matter because you're basically giving them money. They're giving you an IOU for when you go to sell it. Oh, look, now there's a discrepancy. This is 402, that's 403. So it's actually higher on Robinhood now. Yep, and that's just UI. You're just looking at UI. It's not an actual price. When you go to market order it on Robinhood, it'll also tell you, say I want to buy $1,000 worth. If you, let's see, power, yeah. It says it on my phone. Can't show you that on my phone, but basically, let me look at it. If you go to buy it on Robinhood, it says that there could be a $5 spread, which is crazy. Or not $5, I'm sorry, 5%, which is way more crazy. So basically, if you do a market buy, because then there's also limit buys, and you could always do this. For what I'm doing with it, kind of the scalp trading, limit buys don't really work because I need to get in and out quick. However, today, since I'm in front of the computer and I'm kind of trading on the hourly chart now, and not on like a 5 or 10 minute chart, how it was before. Oh, that's Dr. Disrespect. Sorry. Just started playing in the background. Since I'm trading on the hourly now, I could do a limit order because I've got plenty of time and there's a big spread. But on the app, it says it says there could be a 5% basically difference on your market order. So if you put a limit price, you put in the exact price you're willing to sell it for, and once it hits that, it'll sell it. But on a market order, it could swing it up to 5% one way or another. So basically, theoretically you could be buying this, it goes up 10%, you sell it, and you don't make any money. If you're doing 2 market orders. So that's a good reason why you should limit buy. But again, I haven't done it a whole lot with Doge. I've done it with other stuff on Robinhood, and it seems like you just kind of have to wait for it. Wait for it to be happy with the price and that they get their little cut. And yeah, Doge is about to break out. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Sub up, like up, comment down. Happy money sticks around. We'll see you later today. I'll probably have another recap because GameStop is going crazy. DFV exercises calls, and Citadel is up all night, as well as other banks all around the world. World is changing today, and it has been. Maybe not today, maybe this week. Okay, peace out.